Hello guys, welcome back. You already know that the only payment method available on 1688 is through Alipay. You have to buy RMB, payment by RMB. You have to fund your Alipay with RMB, then pay for your products on 1688, or you either send RMB directly to your suppliers and they will supply your goods. It has been like this for a very long time. 1688 does not allow any other form of payment except RMB. Each time you want to shop for anything, you have to look for RMB. I've done a video on this channel on how to buy RMB, different ways of buying RMB, but this video is not about RMB. But now there is something new on 1688 that I'm going to be showing you in this video. If you are someone that shops on 1688 or imports from China, then this video is for you. If you don't have an international passport to verify your Alipay, this video is also for you. And if you have been using agents to buy your goods from China, of course, you know I am an advocate for not using agents to buy goods. I've always preached that you buy your goods by yourself and save a lot of money and grow your business, right? So this video is also for you. Over the years, for you to buy on 1688, you can't even pay with dollars, you can pay with your local currency, and you can pay with any other kind of currency, except you want to buy from AliExpress or Alibaba. That is the only time you can use other currencies like dollar or your local currency. If you want to buy from 1688, which is usually cheaper, then you must have to look for RMB. You have different ways of buying RMB. I've done a video on that. You can find that video and watch it. But this video is not about RMB. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a new method that you can use to make your payment without requiring you to buy RMB. Amazing. Well, if today is your first time on this channel, please like this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can get more useful content like this one that you're about to get now. Make sure you drop your comments and let us know what you think about this new method that I'm going to be showing you. So guys, Alipay just added a new gateway that allows you to pay with your USD card. So you can use your dollar card to complete your payments without having to buy RMB, without having to verify any Alipay account, without having to use your passport to verify any Alipay account. You can just use your ATM card, but it has to be a dollar card. If you don't have a dollar card, you need to get a virtual dollar card. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So you get a virtual dollar card from online, then fund that your virtual dollar card with your local currency, then convert it to dollar, and then use that virtual card to complete your payment on 1688. You don't have anything with RMB. You don't need to buy RMB. You don't need to pay any agents. You don't need anything. All you need is your virtual card to complete payment. This is amazing, guys. Let me show you how to do it. So guys, I'm going to launch my 1688. When you come here, this is the product I've added to cart. Let's say we want to buy this visual reality Vision Pro. I'm going to add it to my cart. I've added it to the cart and I'm going to make payments. I've added my address, and then this is the price. I'm supposed to pay 182 RMB for this particular product, and the shipping fee is 12 RMB. And as you can see, the selected method of payment is Alipay. So at this point, I'm supposed to complete payment for this product. As you can see, my total payment is 188. So I'm going to click on payment. Then it's going to bring me to where I need to select the payment method. So I have different payment methods. As you can see, Alipay is automatically selected. That is, I need to have this amount of money in my Alipay account to be able to just simply make this payment. But alternatively, I can switch to another payment method. Here you can see payment currency is in USD. So I can use my dollar card to complete this payment. If you click on switch, you can also select different other payment method. You can see the Taiwan dollar, you can see the Japanese Yuan, you can also see the Hong Kong dollar, different payment methods. So if you're in any of these countries, you can use any of these currencies to make your payment. But if you're not in any of these countries, USD is widely accepted everywhere. Different banks can make payments using USDT irrespective of your country or where you are. So we are going to be using the select the USDT payment. So I switched that to another currency. Let me switch it back to USD. Make sure you selected USD. If you don't want to use Alipay to make payment, just simply click on this arrow here that says new credit or debit card. I'm going to click on it. It's going to require you to input your card details. So if you have a USD card, debit card or credit card, you simply put that details here and it's going to complete the payment. But if you don't have it, I'm going to show you how to get a virtual card that can work for this payment. There are so many virtual payment platforms like Clever, Cheaper Cash, and all of that. But I am very comfortable with Cheaper Cash. I've been using Cheaper Cash for a very long time. So I'm going to be using Cheaper Cash to make this payment. I have videos on Cheaper Cash, how to create Cheaper Cash account, how to use fund your Cheaper Cash account, how to get your Naira account, and all of that. So as you can see, we don't have any money in this account, but we have a Naira account and a USD account. So we can fund our USD account and use it to make this payment, right? And how to do that: if you download the Cheaper Cash app, simply register on the app. Then when you log in, you can request to create an NGN card or your local currency. If you're in South Africa, if you're in Ghana, whichever place you are, you just create the account. Then you can fund your local bank account and convert it to USD. You can also get a USD account here. You can also claim this USD account and they will create a USD account, but that is not what you need. You need just the card. All right, you need just the card. Click on this card down here. You're going to see that I have my Naira card, my Naira Visa card, and also have my USD Visa card. But I don't have money in this USD Visa card. I think I have 0.69. So let's see this 0.69. Let's see if we can use it to make payments. Let's look for what we can pay for. So I'll just go back. Let me look for something of less than 4 RMB. I have some items to pay for in my cards. So this is 16 RMB. This is 9 RMB. I think 9 RMB should be less than $1. Okay, so okay, let's pay for this 9 RMB. And I'm going to click on 9 RMB. I'm going to click on pay. It's going to bring me back to the same place where I need to make payments. So I have this 9 RMB in my Alipay. If I don't want to add card and I have RMB, I can just simply click on pay and pay for this. All right, but I want to show you how to use this card. Now we have switched it to USD. We want to use USD card to pay. Then I'm going to click on here to add my USD card details. All right, so I just need to add the card number, the card year, the CVV, and the username, and that's all. So I'll come to my Cheaper Cash. This is my dollar card. Then I'm just going to click on show details. So I'll be able to see the details in this dollar card. Then I can copy this number. Then my expiring date is okay. Then I'll come here, I'll paste the number here. Good. Then my expiring date, then I'm going to put the expiring date, my CVV. I'm going to put my CVV. Then my name, I'm going to put my name as well. So I'll fill up these details. I'm just going to simply click on confirm and continue. So the card has been added, guys. We've added our card successfully. So the next thing is that we're going to make payment for this 9 RMB. And then we are going to, let's check how much 1 RMB to dollar. Let's check Google. Just going to write 1 RMB to dollar to USD. So we're just going to check what 1 RMB to USD is. So this is 0.14 as of today. So let's check 0.14. We are paying for 9 RMB, right? 0.14 times 9. So we need 1.6 RMB. We need to look for a product that is lesser. All right, but however, let me just show you how to do it. Since we've added our card, so what we need to do is just to click on pay with card. Then I'm just going to click on pay now. Let's see. So we need $1.33 to make this payment, but unfortunately, you see your transaction to 1688 Singapore. So they've shown me that I cannot see. Your card has incurred a decline transaction. So because we only have 0.66, we only have 0.69 in that account, we are not able to make that payment. All right, so we cannot be able to complete the payment. So we have successfully added this card and we can use it to buy whatever we want to buy on 1688 without using RMB to pay. We can pay with dollar All right, so this is amazing, guys. So our money is not enough, so we can't complete that payment. Rather, I'll just continue with using the RMB I have in my Alipay to complete this payment. But this is how you do it anytime you want to buy using using USD instead of RMB. All right, so guys, that is amazing. So you can use your debit card to make payment on 1688 now. You can use your debit card, just do exactly as I've done. Add your card. If you have a USD card, then you add your card and just make payment. But if you don't have a USD card, just send them to cheaper cash app and fund your account with your local currency, convert it to USD, fund it into your card, and then use it to make that payment. All right, this is amazing, guys. I have a video on how to register on cheaper cash and fund your card, convert it to any currency of your choice, and then use it to make any payment. Okay, this is great. So let's talk about the downside of using this method. Even though it's amazing, it's been too long that we've been using RMB to make payment. But recently, this new development is here and it's a welcome one. I recommend you to use it if you don't have Alipay to make payments or if you don't have international passport and all of that. But now the downside of it is that you can see that we're able to convert 9 RMB. So the only downside I can see is that the conversion rate is a problem. If you're in a country like Nigeria where I am, you can see that 1 RMB is 244. Currently, 1 RMB is around 244. So, but what we're buying, if we're buying that 9 RMB, it will have been around 2,109 or so. But 9 RMB gave us $1.33, which we converted to around 2,300 and something. So the conversion rate, maybe you can try it in your own currency if you're not in Nigeria, but definitely the conversion rate is a thing to worry about, because when you're using USD to pay, they're going to be converted, and then you fund your local currency. It is going to convert the RMB to the equivalent of USD and then complete that payment for you. So this method is going to be so good for you if you are earning in USD or you have USD in your account and all of that. Then you just pay the RMB with your USD without having to do any conversion. The system is just going to automatically convert it for you and take the equivalent, the amount that's equal to the amount of RMB you're paying, right? So this is amazing, guys. But if you're not earning in dollars and you need to convert from your local currency to dollars, then pay the RMB, it's definitely going to be a thing that you need to consider, all right? But if you don't mind, then this is a good one. You can always use your USDT to make this payment, and then your suppliers are going to get this same payment in RMB.